Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. I'm going to reveal my age here with today's product. Today's new product is a China bristle brush. Beautiful brush, mahogany wood block, and then long, thick China bristles, hog's hair. When I first started out in the industry, this was a standard tool for window cleaners. This is the World Enterprises China bristle brush. You can get it the solid block, but you can also get it with the for the pole. It would be a cone-shaped apparatus that would fit in it. So if you had higher work and you needed to use it, some people liked it on a pole because you get more leverage. I used it all the time, just in hand for scrubbing windows. It does not hold as much water as a T-bar and a sleeve, but it does hold a lot of water. Be surprised. But it's a great scrubbing apparatus. If you had some construction cleans, you needed more aggressive. I used to clean storm windows with it. They were always the worst. New product from WCR, China bristle brush. Beautiful brush to come in real handy for cleaning those real dirty windows. Again, Westy Window Wagon. If you don't follow me here on Instagram. You can reach me, DM me here. Also, you can call me direct anytime. All that info is in the bio. Also on Facebook, you can, and I also have a YouTube channel. The YouTube's at John WCR. So all this info also goes on to YouTube, the new products. You can follow me there too.